Okay, in today's video guys, we're going to show you how to build an email list. So as we know, and if you didn't know, that an email list is one of the vital parts of any online business, because it basically means that you can gather people's contact details and then email them on an ongoing basis. You'll build up a rapport with them, and obviously you will then sell more products as you go down the line. So today I'm going to show you a free course that you can actually go and take, and it gives you every single step. And also when you complete the course, it actually gives you some free traffic that you can start building your email list with straight away. Okay, so let's head over to the desktop, and what I'll do, I'll run through the course and just show you exactly what's in each step and where you can obviously go and grab this course for free. Okay, so we've come in to the page here, and as you can see, traffic domination, 10 easy steps to build a quality list that will make your sales as early as today. And this goes through a very simple step-by-step process, and all you have to do is just say yes, I'm ready, and click and go through to the first video. Now, you don't need any experience. It's completely free, so you can work through the whole of the course for completely free. It's newbie friendly, and there's obviously no strings attached. So let's quickly run through the course, the different steps. In the first couple of steps, the first couple of videos, he goes through everything about the course and this, that, and the other. Very, very minimal, but we get to video 3. And video 3 is how to get your squeeze pages. So he goes through and shows you how to use his own software that will then build your squeeze pages for you. So all you have to do is obviously then get some traffic to those squeeze pages. And obviously, if you don't know what a squeeze page is, it's basically a page where you can squeeze your customers' details out of them for some information that you're then going to go and give them. So this is vital for then obviously that information goes into your email autoresponder for your email list, and also then can be used to contact them at a later date. So once we've hit that, as you can see, we go to vacate the video, and all the way here through the steps, you can click onto the Traffic Domination Facebook group and get more help. So if you need to ask any questions, you can literally just click this button here. If we open it in another tab, this will take you across to Facebook and the Facebook group. And the Facebook group, which is the Traffic Dominators, as you can see, there's 64,000 people already in there. So you can come and join this and ask any questions, etc. And it will be done under the actual free list building step number 3, help and assistance. So as you can see, there's been 62 comments so far. Okay, so once we've done that, we head over to step 4, which will be connecting your autoresponder. Okay, now you will need obviously an autoresponder. Now I would recommend going for something like either GetResponse, or which is what they recommend in the course, or Aweber. Now GetResponse obviously do a 30-day free trial, so again you can set it up, get started for absolutely free. And Aweber do a free account, which actually means that you've got no restriction on the days. You can have that free account until you reach 500 subscribers, or you want to actually send out more than 3,000 emails a month. And what I'll do, I'll obviously put some links, as well as the links to this course. I'll put a link to Aweber free account down underneath this video, so you can actually sign up for your Aweber free account. And also at the end of this video, I'm not only going to show you where you can go and get some free traffic from this course, I'm also going to show you where you can go and set up your Aweber account as well, and also other things all about email marketing. So stay tuned right to the very end to pick those up as well. So now, once you've done step 4, we can go on to step 5. And as you can see here, step 5 is grab your free email swipes. And what Wayne has put together is 30 different, in fact, it probably works out more than 30, because you could probably use some of them and tweak them, because it gives you different subject lines for each email. So you could actually send out more than 30, but he gives you at least 30 emails that you can then just obviously put into your email autoresponder, which go out automatically. And all you got to do is link to the product. So again, these are free. You just click on the button below the video to go and grab your email swipes. Okay. So once you've done that, you've got all your email swipes. You now want step 6. And step 6 is sign up for the affiliate network. Now, again, you could use any affiliate network, but he's got his own affiliate network. So he actually has tried and tested products that he would recommend, and in the BizOp niche that you can go and sign up for and actually use. And again, this affiliate network is free to join. Okay, so all you've got to do is follow the instructions in the video, and obviously click on the button here to go and sign up for his own affiliate network. So step 7. Now, step 7 is a bit of a longer video, about 20-minute video. Basically, it pulls everything together. So it shows you how you can go and set everything up so it all integrates nicely together, so that when someone obviously signs in at the front end on your squeeze page, they'll be taken through the whole system. Okay, so step 8 is where he goes and shows you where not only can you're going to be given free traffic at the end of this, but because Wayne is a top solo ad provider, and he's probably one of the best in the world, let alone in the UK, he goes and shows you where you can go and buy traffic and start making sales. So you can drive traffic through using solo ads, which is really, really targeted, and you can obviously drive that to the front end of the funnel, and then they work their way through. You could obviously use free traffic methods as well. There's no harm in that, but obviously he's renowned for his solo ads, for his paid traffic, so that's what obviously he recommends in the course. But you don't have to go and buy any traffic straight away. You can just use free traffic if you prefer to do that. But if you want to click it, you can obviously go and just click on the click to buy traffic button, or you can actually connect with Wayne himself here as well. So the 9th step is basically you can actually go and refer others and actually earn a commission on these guys. So you could actually earn just by running through the course for free and actually hooking up as an affiliate for the course. And then you can obviously recommend it to others. And then when they do actually go and buy traffic or something like that, you could then earn a 20% commission. So not only is this a free course, guys, you can actually go and earn money by just recommending the free course. So I fully recommend that that's a good thing to obviously go and do. Once you've taken your free clicks that he's going to give you, and we're going to show you that in the last step, you're going to get where you can go and do that. Once you've done that, you can come back to step 10, and he shows you how you can then go and post testimonials in Facebook groups. Okay, so then what he does, he then will go and hook up, and he will then use your affiliate link to go and promote to other people within that group, so that then you will get the commission if they make a sale. And of course, the final step, step 11, obviously you get advanced training. So there's even more training. There's another hour or so long's worth of training that he gives you. Plus you can go and get 100 free clicks from his solo ad agency. Absolutely vital to get you up and started. And obviously you might as well, even if you want to go for free traffic after that, you might as well take these 100 free clicks, because it will get you up and running straight away so that you can start building your email list. So that's it, guys. This is a run through of the obviously the free list building course that Wayne Crow has actually put together here. Definitely go and click the link below here, work through the training, obviously grab your free 100 clicks at the end, and also sign up as an affiliate as well, and go and check out the Facebook group, because obviously there's more potential to earn through the Facebook group as well, when you see what he's obviously done with another system that he's put together on the back end of the Facebook group. So I totally recommend that you go and do that as well. I'm earning money from the Facebook group every single month now. Okay, I trust you found that interesting. If it did, then obviously give us a big thumbs up. And if you are new to the channel, remember, if you haven't already, then make sure you subscribe to the channel right now. Hit the notification bell. You'll get notified every time we make new videos. Don't forget to watch these videos next, which will also give you a better insight into the Aweber autoresponder and obviously building email lists as well.